Om Namah Shivaya, children. Hope all of you are fit and fine at your home. Children, imagine the world without heat. Without the heat that comes from the sun, the earth would be barren and cold. The heat of the sun is a basic requirement for the existence of life. So, today we are going to learn in detail about heat in our fourth chapter, that is heat. So, let's start. This is chapter 4, heat. In this session, we will cover the following topics: heat, hot and cold object, measuring temperature. Under this, we will discuss clinical thermometer, digital thermometer, laboratory thermometer, maximum and minimum thermometer. What is heat? Heat is something that is a little difficult to define, but we use it a lot in everyday life. It is something that makes things hot. As it makes things hot, we also see that it can do some work. If we heat water in a vessel and put a lid on it, the steam causes the water to move. A pressure cooker also blows off steam after it is heated. When water is heated, it turns into steam. The steam, as you have seen, can lift the lid of the vessel. Steam can do work. So, heat can do work. Anything that can do work is a form of energy. So, heat can be said to be a form of energy. We can define heat a little better now. Heat is a form of energy. Some objects are hot, some are cold. How do we know if they are hot or cold? Let us try this activity. Take 3 mugs and label them as A, B, and C. Put cold water in mug A and hot water in mug B. Mix some cold and hot water in mug C. Now, dip your left hand in mug A and right hand in mug B. After keeping the hands in the 2 mugs for 2 to 3 minutes, put both the hands simultaneously in mug C. What happens? Both the hands give you different feelings, though they are in the same water. With the left hand, the water in the mug C feels hot, and with the right hand, the same water feels cold. That is because they are comparing to their previous temperature they were in. So, checking for hot or cold just by touching is not a good way of measuring. Also, it can be quite dangerous. If things are too hot or too cold, they can damage the skin and the body too. Thus, we cannot rely on our sense of touch to decide whether an object is hot or cold. What is the reliable measure for this? A reliable measure of the hotness of an object is its temperature. How do we measure temperature? Temperature is measured by a device called thermometer. When you or someone else in your family has fever, doctor uses a thermometer to measure the body temperature. Do you know what is it called? It is a clinical thermometer. The thermometer that measures our body temperature is called a clinical thermometer. A clinical thermometer has a long, narrow glass tube. It has a bulb at one end containing mercury. It has two scales. One is degree Celsius and another is degree Fahrenheit. The Celsius scale ranges from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. The Fahrenheit scale ranges from 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. In India, we normally use the scale degree Celsius. The standard international, that is SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. It is used for scientific purpose. A clinical thermometer reads temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. What is the reason for this? It is because the temperature of human body normally does not go below 35 degrees Celsius or above 42 degrees Celsius. The clinical thermometer has a small kink near the bulb to prevent the mercury level from falling. Now let us know how to read a clinical thermometer. Wash the thermometer with an antiseptic solution. Hold it firmly and give it a few jerks to bring the level of mercury below 35 degrees Celsius. Then place the bulb of the thermometer under your armpit. After 1 minute, take out the thermometer and note the reading. This will be your body temperature. The normal temperature of the human body is 37 degrees Celsius. Children, some precautions to be observed while reading a clinical thermometer. Thermometers should be washed before and after use, preferably with an antiseptic solution. Ensure that before use the mercury level is below 35 degrees Celsius. Read the thermometer keeping the level of mercury along the line of sight. Handle the thermometer with care. If it hits against some hard object, it can break. Do not hold the thermometer by the bulb while reading it. Don't use a clinical thermometer for measuring the temperature of any object other than the human body. Also, avoid keeping the thermometer in the sun or near a flame. Why? Because it may break. There is one more type of thermometer which is used by the doctors nowadays to measure the body temperature. Have you seen it? It is the digital thermometer. The digital thermometer is an electric device containing no glass or mercury. It is unbreakable and same for use as a clinical thermometer. It beeps 1 minute after placing it in the mouth or under the arm of a patient. The temperature can be read from the numerical dial. Clinical thermometer is used to measure the body temperature. Then, how do we measure the temperature of other objects? For this purpose, we use the laboratory thermometer. A laboratory thermometer has a long, narrow glass tube. It has bulb at one end containing mercury. It has a scale marked in degrees Celsius. The range of a laboratory thermometer is generally from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Now, let us learn how to measure temperature with a laboratory thermometer. Take some tap water in a beaker. Dip the thermometer in the water so that the bulb of the thermometer does not touch the bottom or the side of the beaker. Hold the thermometer vertically. The mercury level rises. Wait till the level of mercury becomes steady. Note the level of mercury. This will be the temperature of the water. Students, some precautions to be observed while reading a laboratory thermometer. Laboratory thermometer should be kept upright, not tilted. The bulb should be surrounded from all sides by the substance of which the temperature is to be measured. The bulb should not touch the surface of the container. Different types of thermometers are used for different purposes. The maximum and minimum temperatures of the previous day reported in weather reports are measured by a thermometer called the maximum and minimum thermometer. Children, Now, let us recollect what we learned today. Our sense of touch is not always a reliable guide to decide whether an object is hot or cold. Temperature is a measure of the degree of hotness of an object. Thermometer is a device used for measuring temperature. Clinical thermometer is used to measure our body temperature. The range of this thermometer is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. For other purpose, we use the laboratory thermometer. The range of this thermometer is usually from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. The normal temperature of the human body is 37 degrees Celsius. Based on the topic, there are some activities for you. Number 1. State similarities between the laboratory thermometer and the clinical thermometer. Number 2. Why clinical thermometer ranges from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Number 3. Draw a neat and level diagram of clinical thermometer. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.